Why are honesty and integrity necessary in life? Honesty and integrity are necessary, especially in the police service, for several reasons. First, it builds public trust. Matthew 5:16, "Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." People will only cooperate with law enforcement when they believe that officers are honest and fair. Second, it ensures justice is properly served. Isaiah 1:17, "Learn to do well, seek judgment, relieve the oppressed, judge the fatherless, plead for the widow." Without integrity, decisions may be influenced by corruption, bias, or personal gain. Third, it protects the reputation of the police institution and strengthens respect for the rule of law. Romans 13:3, "Rulers are not a terror to good works, but to the evil, for he is the minister of God to thee for good." In conclusion, doing what is right, even when it's easy to do wrong, and no one is watching, that shows integrity. Amen.